Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the Rusty Blades. Today, just got home from being out at shops and I was greeted by a package from Stylecraft. It's a decent sized box. I haven't got a clue what's in here, so we're gonna just open it up. Ooh, what we got in here then? First item is some Stylecraft tight guards. These come, you've got the number 2 guard, 1.5 guard, 1 guard, and the half guard. They're very much like the wall system. I have got the blue ones that you will have seen on some of the videos, but what I might do with these is put the 2 larger guards in pink and keep my 2 smaller guards in blue and change the other colours up as well, just so I can instantly look and go, right, that's going to be my 1 guard. Just a little idea. We've got a box in here. So it's in the influencer box. I'm just going to pop this to one side for now and we will open that and have a look. We have got a clutch bag in here. Pamphlet in here as well telling me about it, so I'm just going to pop this down here and I will read this sheet out. This is going to be dropping in March. This is the Stylecraft on the go Barber Stylish Professional Travel Case. Its size is from the bottom to the top 11.5 inches. The across from one side to the other, the width is 16 inches and the depth of it is a cock's length 5.5 inch. So it says it's durable, lightweight and water resistant. It's releasing in March. This says revolutionise your mobility with the cutting edge travel case crafted for on-the-go professionals, designed with functionality in mind. It's super soft water resistant nylon to accommodate your arsenal of accessories, tools and brushes, whether carried like a briefcase or over the shoulder with the adjustable strap. It's a convenience and it accompanies to your every client. Now, I am absolute shite at reading, so I hope you got that. That's the bag. We're going to have a quick look at this. I will be doing a full unboxing. Well, I say unboxing because I'm already unboxing it now, but I will do a full review on this bag, but I'm just going to open it up just quickly, just so you can have a little look inside and see what it's like. So inside the bag, you've got your slots in there, so you can put all your clippers, trimmers, or whatever you need to put in there. And it has the mirror as well. So you've finished your cut, you just want to show your client, you can, I don't know if it comes out or not. Again, we'll go into that into a more in-depth video. But that's the clutch style bag. Really like that. We'll just pop this down to the side. And now we are going to have a look inside here and see what we've got inside this box. If I can get into it. Right. New drops for March 2024. It is the Precision Saber. So I'm just going to read this. It's assembled with the Premium X Pro Gold Titanium Precision Fixed Blade. It says it's best for detailing super fine lines and create designs even on sensitive skin, which is always a bonus because the last thing you want to do is chop people up like they're a kebab skewer. It's paired with the one blade. The one cutting blade, in my opinion, is the best cutting blade there is out there so far of what I've actually used. I absolutely love it. It never snags, pulls or anything, but it puts some proper crispy lines down there. And also, I didn't even see that, but it has the new diamond cut trimmer blade as well. So I'll just read a little description on this. Another great blade set by Stylecraft. The diamond cut blade pattern minimises the need for multiple cutting strokes by efficiently guiding the hair to feed seamlessly into the cutter. So that sounds really good to me. I will stick this on one of my other trimmers and we'll have a go with that. We'll put it to the test, and when I've got someone in the chair, I'll use all my trimmers and we'll see which one they find is the smoothest. I have just been using the Ever Since ES5 blade. Absolutely unbelievable. I put that on my Rebel trimmer and it is literally, it's like a hot knife through butter. It is really good. But looking forward to having a go with that. And this is the Stylecraft Precision Saber. Like I said, I'm not going to go into too much detail on these. This is just a quick unboxing. I'll give you a quick sneak peek of the trimmer inside. There you go. I don't know why the cellophane is all ripped, but we'll have a look at that. So guys, this has just been a little unboxing. Like I say, I didn't have a clue that this box was coming, this package, so I just wanted to get it out here. If you're interested in any of the Stylecraft or Gamma products, you can use my code RUSTY15. That'll save you 15% on anything Stylecraft or Gamma. A little bit of a discount, helps you out, helps me out, helps my channel out. And a massive shout out to Stylecraft and Gamma also. Without those, I wouldn't be able to continuously do videos and unboxings of their products. I've been Rusty Blades, and I'll catch you in the next one when we're going to have a look at all these products in a bit more depth.